also no.
All passengers yet to board Kulula Airline 107 to Cape Town. All passengers are kindly requested to make their way to sea level for boarding procedures. A first boarding report for all passengers yet to board Kulula Airline 107.
Ay, vamos a poner en
She's okay.
107.
It's open, Quirky.
mode must be completely switched off now. Cabin crew up doors, check your strap and cross check. We ready for departure. We'll shortly give a demonstration highlighting the safety information on this aircraft. Please give us your attention. We'll start by introducing the crew in front. We've got Desri, Kazimulo, Ebo, and my name is Pinky. For takeoff, you must follow away the tray table in front of you. Put your seat back upright with the armrest down. And fasten your seatbelt. Your seatbelt is fastened, adjusted, and released as demonstrated. You have a safety features card in your seat pocket indicating the brace position, the exits you have on board as well as transportation equipment. This is a Boeing 737-800 and there are 8 exits which the crew now point out. There's 2 doors in the front, 4 overwing exits and 2 doors at the back. To help you find a to the exit, additional luggage provided at the floor level in the aisle. In the event of loss of cabin pressure, oxygen will be provided. Mask will drop automatically from the left and right panel above you. Stay in your seat and pull the mask towards you. This will open your oxygen supply. Place the mask over your mouth and nose and breathe normally. Adjusting the band to secure it. Do make sure your own mask is fitted before helping anyone else. In the event of landing on water, remove the life jacket from its pouch underneath the seat and pull it over your head. Fasten the tapes around your waist. To inflate, pull the rod toggle as shown. The air can be topped up by using this mouthpiece. There's a light here for attracting attention. Do not inflate the life jacket until outside the aircraft. All electronic devices must be completely switched off for takeoff, approach and landing. Permitted electronic devices such as iPod, iPad, laptop computers, cell phones with the flight safe or in-flight mode may only be used once you're airborne and the seatbelt signs are switched off. And these devices must again be completely switched off when you commence our descent. Please note that smoking is not permitted at any time on board and the toilets are monitored by smoke detectors. Tampering with the smoke detector is a serious offense. For your reading pleasure, we place on flight magazine Kulula in the seat pocket in front of you. We invite you to sit back, relax and enjoy the flight with us.